Mga kabrigada, sa mga sandaling ito, naghahanda na po ang mga senador para mag-oath taking para maging senator judge, mga kabrigada. Kaugnay nga po dito sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Pero bago yan, ilang mga senador, mga kabrigada, katulad ni Senador De La Rosa, nagkaroon naman ng pasabog ngayong hapon. Para sa kabuang detalye, si Brigada Ann Cortez live dyan po sa Senado. Brigada Ann, ibrigada mo.
Brigada Live Report.
Brigada Lee, bagamat nakatakda sana ngayong alas 4 ng hapon na makapag-o-taking ang mga senador para sa pagtayo nila bilang Senator George sa gagawing impeachment proceedings laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, ay naharangan ito kasunod na ng privilege speech ni Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa.
Mr. President, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa is seeking the floor for us. He would like to deliver a privilege speech.
Before recognizing the Honorable De La Rosa, Senator Pimentel is raising his hand. What is the pleasure of the Honorable Pimentel?
Shouldn't we, in good faith, implement the approved motion from yesterday, Mr. President, that at 4 o'clock we should be taking our oath as senator judges? And then we'll give way to the privilege speech, Mr. President. So that was the motion approved by the body yesterday.
Yes, Mr. President, we will be honoring that what was agreed upon yesterday, but this is a personal collective privilege, and any member of this August body can just stand up and avail of this collective of this privilege hour, Mr. President.
No, I don't think so, Mr. President. This is a privilege speech. This is a privilege speech. This is not a privilege motion. So my motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
Senator,
I make of record the time. It's 4:31 p.m. Mr. President.
Yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privilege speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday that I'm willing to take oath as a member of the impeachment court, provided let me first deliver my privilege speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority leader
No,
yesterday.
Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath taking is not the convening of the court. It was very clear, Mr. President.
Sa kabila nga na naging paunang sagutan at debate kung ano ang dapat manguna, privilege speech ba ni De La Rosa o oath-taking ng mga senador, ay pinagbigyan ni Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel na mauna na ang senador. Bilang nakiusap sa kanya si Senador Alan Cayetano. Sa speech ni De La Rosa, idiniin niya na sa kanyang palagay ay mahina ang pundasyon ng impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara, kung kaya't sa dulo ng kanyang privilege speech ay nagbitaw siya ng isang motion.
I respectfully move that in view of its constitutional infirmities and questions on the jurisdiction and authority of the 20th Congress, the verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte be dismissed. Mr. President, since I have still the floor, I would like...
Pero bilang tinawag nga ni De La Rosa si Senator Christopher Bongo para sundan ang kanyang pagsasalita, ay agad namang nanawagan si Senadora Risa Hontiveros na masuspende ang lahat ng interpelasyon o motion at mag-convict muna sila.
Takes precedence over all motions. So I restate my motion, Mr. President, to momentarily suspend any action, whether interpellation or seconding speech, on the privileged speech of the good gentleman from Davao, para sa wakas bigyang daan yung inaprubahan nating motion kahapon na manumpa na po kaming... I still have the floor. I have the floor, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President, to make way for taking of the oath before the presiding officer.
Matapos Iniutos ng kaliwat kanan na motion na iginiit ni Senate President Cheese Escudero na maaari lang sila maka-aksyon sa motion kung magkakaroon ng oath-taking sila bilang impeachment court. Iniutos naman ni Escudero ang pagsuspende muna ng sesyon hanggang 6:15 para magbigay daan sa pagkuha nila ng kanilang impeachment robe at pagsuot nito para sa oath-taking. Live mula rito sa Senado in the heart of changing lives. Ako si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music News of 40.